I absolutely love it. Happy birthday, big guy.
And a very happy birthday to Kinley and Carly Welch, the twins celebrating their 6th birthday in Humboldt. And they help out at our market there in Humboldt.
Look, well, they look like they're ready to rock and roll.
Looks like they're doing it right there.
I love
very
that.
Cool.
Happy birthday, kiddos. Oh, no. Dude, how are you 8? How are you 8 and why are you just showing off?
Yeah, he is showing off.
Because you're that cool?
Mm-hmm.
That's why. That's why. I love that dude right there. Hey, Mav, I want you to have a marvelous day. You know what? I'm going to let you rule the roost today. Don't tell your mom that I said that, okay? No, Mav, his brothers and sisters, his mom, his dad, everybody. You know I love you, kiddo, and happy 8th birthday. And nice catch, by the way. Well, take me with you next time. Dad won't take me, so maybe you'll take me with me.
And a very happy birthday as well to McKenna Jennings, turning 8 years old in Jasper. Yeah, we're getting some great pictures this morning.
That is wonderful.
That's great, doing some gardening. Getting your hands dirty.
I love that.
Yeah.
Marley Mordecai is turning 9, and that's a marvelous picture as well. What a great smile. Happy birthday, Marley in Carl Junction.
And a very happy birthday to Lakin Schultz, turning 9 years old.
Yeah.
Schulte,
yeah.
Thank you.
No, that's all right. I know that. Like, I know the family. Yeah.
Yeah. I should ask you beforehand
no,
sometimes.
It's okay.
But happy birthday to Lakin, who's turning 9 years old in Seneca. Her dad is the high school basketball coach. And so, of course,
I remember him when he was playing high school ball.
Nice.
I do.
And so, yeah, of course, now Lakin loves basketball as well. So happy birthday and love Mimi and Papa.
Happy birthday, Lakin. You do have a wonderful family, kiddo. Tinley Janae Thompson is now double digits, and the cake and the candles to prove it as she turns the big number 10 in Mound Valley. Love from Mimi and Papa. And Tinley, you better look to your left because it looks like you got somebody that's eye-spying that cake.
Just zoned in on it right there. That's great.
Poor Tinley's like, I'm getting to be a young adult. And he's like, no, cake.
Cake and fire.
That's great.
Happy birthday to Tinley Janae Thompson. Turning.
Wait.
Sorry, I got mixed up. Tatum Laney Smith, turning 11 years old in Nevada. Love mom, dad, sister, and brother.
I love that look at that little Nevada Tiger Pride right there. I love that. Selena Rosensteel. Speaking of a little pride, Selena Rosensteel on the court right there. Selena is turning 12 in Parsons, and I'm going to tell you what, kid, shooter's going to shoot. Marcus, how do you break out of a shooting slump? Not that Selena's ever been in one. You keep shooting. Boom. You do that, Selena.
And a very happy birthday to Logan Yoakum, turning 15, and look at that.
How cool is this?
That is super cool. So we got a little note here. This is him jumping off of Sturgeon Rock into the Snake River in Hell's Canyon, Idaho. That is super cool. And yeah, you sound lucky to have been able to go there. Very cool. Happy birthday.
Yoakum family, thank you. That's a great one right there. Derek Wagner turning 15 out there on his Sea-Doo on Grand Lake. Hey, Derek, I got to tell you this much, man. That would be a fun time, too. And I'm not trying to embarrass you, but I want you to know these are happy, special birthday wishes from your mother.
And a very happy birthday to Josh Pitts, turning 15 years old, and he is a freshman at Pittsburgh High School.
Out in Oswego, Cecilia Newby, she is celebrating her 17th birthday. There's got to be a backstory there.
Yeah,
but I'm sure it's a good one.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, Cecilia.
And a very happy birthday to Weston Marbury, turning 17 in Fort Scott. He's a junior, of course, at Fort Scott High School. And this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Ty, and Jace.
Tryson Cook put a couple of twos out on them.
Yeah.
We're just getting spoiled by people's pictures.
We are.
This is tremendous.
Out there in Oh, I can't remember where the buffalo around here.
I got a couple
I just
places
completely
that
blanked.
I know where they are. Trison. We're not sure exactly where that was located, but that's
Right.
a marvelous picture, my friend.
Yeah, that's
a
great.
happy birthday in Columbus.
And a very happy birthday to Erin Brumbaugh,
What?
29 years old in Pittsburgh. So her birthday was actually yesterday, and Erin gave birth to her new baby daughter, Eliza, on her birthday. You can see her there in the picture. That is super cool.
Number one,
Yeah,
I can't believe that I've seen Aaron grow up. Number
Right.
two, Aaron, congratulations.
congratulations
I feel
on the
terrible.
baby.
I didn't know. So welcome to the world, Eliza,
Yeah,
and happy birthday, Aaron. Take time and enjoy it. And I know you will. I know you will. And congratulations. That's tremendous. Raven Whitworth, turning 30 years old. Everybody in Chanute knows Raven because she is the owner of Salon 63. So happy birthday, Miss Raven.
and a very happy birthday to Chad Harris, turning 44 years old in Jasper. Got a
What?
couple of fours up there.
Let's run out to Erie because we got a couple out there. I'm
Yeah.
gonna start with Jim Burns. He's celebrating his 64th birthday. You got a smile like that, you know you're having a good time. Happy birthday, Jim.
And a very happy birthday to Dawn Beard, also in Erie, turning 65 as well.
Lula Mae Villegas. She is turning 95 in Oswego. I would like everybody in Oswego to run by, give Lula Mae a social distancing birthday wish from all of us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lula. And a very happy birthday as well to Mr. Gary Shaw in Joplin.
Who dat?
I don't know, who is that?
Who is that?
So, of course, Joplin City Council member and used to serve as the mayor of Joplin. And he's also the Central Christian Center administrator here in Joplin on Main Street. So people know Gary. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gary. And who that is, this dude right here, our creative services director, goes by the name of Dale Switzer. Wow. The majority of you watching right now, you probably don't know, unless you live around my neck of the woods, and that's when I see them out walking and whatnot, and I say hello. What you don't understand, folks, is like the commercials and the production value and the opens that we have for our shows. It's all done by that person.
Yes.
It's not like a company, network, corporate thing. The person that you're looking at right there, he makes these.
Right, from scratch.
And not only that, all those different voices you hear in our commercials, he's that dude.
Right.
He does all this. If I had 1/100th of an ounce of his talent, I would be happy.
Yeah.
Because I marvel at him every single day. And on top of that, he's also the nicest and smartest person that I've run into.
And interesting note, kind of funny note, it's weird seeing him in the blue shirt in that picture because every day he'll be walking down the halls wearing a black
Right. That did throw me
long
for a
sleeve
loop
shirt,
when
yeah.
the picture showed up.
But happy birthday, Dale.
Dale, please know that we love you and we absolutely adore and respect you, and know that we wouldn't be here if it were not for your talents.
And a very happy birthday to Rachel Gregory in Columbus.
Selena Curtis, a happy 22nd in Parsons. Jared Pyle, what's up, Jared? Celebrating a birthday in the NAC. And Crystal Dixon, a happy birthday in Miami.
And then we have a couple of anniversaries today as well. For David and Donna Volk in Carterville, it's their 40th anniversary. So happy anniversary to you.
And Ken and Bonnie Feist, a very happy anniversary to you in Chautauqua as well. All right, we knocked that out of the park. Zach and I got to pay some bills real fast, and we'll come back, wrap up this edition right after this.
Oh yeah, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club